sa Town Square guys, sa Kapalong. So diyan na si ate. So diri sila magpasok karon guys.
Hi guys.
Kagwapa ni ate oy.
Go sa mama.
Dan na.
Kani.
Unsa man niya?
Ay anak lang ma'am, kadali man. Ay mga tuwan. Ay pagibili na ko nimo. Away na.
Ikaw nagawa pa?
Ha?
Ikaw na ka?
Man na.
Kani unsa man niya?
Mga make up, bugtog mo kini ma.
Bibi, ako na dala.
Ang bibi. Ito.
Magpasok ka niya, dala-dala ka na. Ay, bawang sa mo bangko.
Hindi, hi guys. Pasok na karon.
Congrats ate kay nahuman na jud nimo ang 3rd year. So 4th year na pod imo hang latason. Nang customer pa si ate guys, kaya wala pa man nagsugod. Ikaduha na guys nga nagpa-make up.
Layan na.
It must be in alphabetical order.
Magsugod na guys. Second year ug 3rd year di ay ang magpasok karon guys. Kanang green mo nang second year college, tapos ang pula mo nang 3rd year college sila ni ate. So ayan, magsugod na.
The seats situated at the right side of our town, of our venue. Again, guardians, visitors, and guests to occupy our vacant seats situated at the right side of
First Bachelor of Science in Agriculture completion rites. As we begin the processional.
Ayan guys, nagsugod na.
Ladies and gentlemen, announcing the entrance of the Royal Guards. The entrance of the completers for the Bachelor of Science in Agriculture, major in Horticulture. Of the college registrar, the college seal bearer. Ladies and gentlemen, the entrance of the from our Heavenly Father that has all remained standing. Please be seated. College President, Dr. Rodrigo C. Vicayan Jr. for the opening of this event.
I am pleased to welcome you all to the recognition program for BSA completers under the Certificate for Agricultural Science. Good afternoon. To our guest speaker, who will be formally introduced later, to the Commission.
And together, let us honor the people behind their success. So instructors, look at their faces, wave your hand, and give them your sweetest smiles. And let us give them a round of applause, because if not because of them, we are not here today celebrating their success. So thank you, please be seated again. This very moment actually feels surreal for me. On this very same stage, about 2 years ago, I was given a chance to deliver the dedication message to our dearest parents during our graduation ceremony as one of
City. Ibabalik ng Department of Agriculture ang scholarship ng ASEP, which is the budget is coming from the product, in agriculture product. And 15 candidates for completion of the Bachelor of Science in Agriculture, major in Animal Science. For the Certificate of Agricultural Science, who have satisfactorily fulfilled the corresponding requirements set for the aforementioned degrees by school authorities and the Commission on Higher Education.
Mrs. Evelyn B. Hiso, MSA, School Registrar, in her petition for the release of certificates.
Dr. Rodrigo C. Cayen Jr., I have the honor to recommend that these candidates for the Certificate of Agricultural Science, representing the Bachelor of Science in Agriculture, major in Horticulture, and Animal Science, be conferred their corresponding certificates.
Dr. Rodrigo C. Cayen Jr., the college president for the conferment of titles.
Individually, our sincerest congratulations and our best wishes for your continuing success. May
Of Science in Agriculture, major in Horticulture. Avalos, Kevin Sean A. Aklon Neil M. Adahar Ichi O. Antulihaw Roy Sly N. Atis Rachel May D. Buena Maria Lourdes O. Bituin Lionel John S. Ronyola Prince Michael N. Baga Axel Kai. Gadumog Mark R. Danilio Ivan J. N. Tinyal Delphon L. Dumaguete CJ C. Dumalauron Alin Mark C. Emmanuel J. Kenneth G. Mark Jacob R. Telfast Mix O. Vergaserca Christian Ray C. Bale Deborah N. Kashong Leo B. Kashong Febime B. Coquilia Jeneline S. Nagaang Eugenie A. Nagaang Eugene A. Danoy Merzel B. Dichosa Elisa C. Duklayan Maria Rose S. Ganso Princess Ann N. Garcitos Leslie Ann S. Igaw Mary Grace A. Lacrimosa Laika L. Liamasares Diane May B. Malio Ethel May L. Mira Loversley J. Payot Nova S.
retire the colors. Ladies and gentlemen, the recessional. College seal bearer and the registrar. College president, guest of honor, and the resource speaker. Vice President for the Academic Affairs. Administration. Next, the completers from the horticulture.
Congrats, ate! Ayan guys, nag-picture-picture. Ayan guys, pauwi namin ni ate. So, tapos na ang completion rights nila ni ate. So, ngayon, pauwi namin. Lawa na ibas, ate. Bus oh. Ate. Pasakay na migbas pa sa Dapunas guys. Pansin ko siya pagkiklang yun.
A few moments later.
Ayan guys, nakauwi namin ni ate dito. So, nakabihis na si ate. So, pasalamat ko sa Ginoo nga sa tulo ka tuig niyang pag-eskwela, gi-guide niya si ate. So, ayan ate, congrats kay nag-agwanta jud ka, naningkamot jud ka nga makuman mo imong pag-eskwela sa tulo ka tuig. school. Maskin sa kakulangon sa financial, si ate mo eskwela jud na siya, maskin wa na siya baon, eskwela jud na siya guys. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat guys, sa inyong suporta sa amin. So unta tema kuman jud nimo na imong kurso. So padayon jud eskwela maskin kuan magkinaon sa eskwela jud te. Kay isa na lang jud nakatuig imong tiwasonon. Dagan pod classmate niya ate wala nakapasok kay tungod sa kanang sa Pyronon, tapos na probi na kuan ate na line of 7. So unta ang imuhang grado walay line of 7 para dili ka maprobi. So paningkamot jud ate. So isa na lang jud nakatuig imuhang antoson. So diha jud ta maglisod sa thesis. Kay lisod na jud na basta fourth year na. Gasto na kaayo. So unta makaya nimo. So daghan kay salamat sa inyong lahat guys sa inyong suporta sa amoa. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat guys. Hanggang dito na lang dito namin. Bye bye.